Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is understanding business and consumer loans, characteristics, terms, and uses. This is quarter 4 about numbers and algebra. And A, grade 11, general mathematics. Again, our topic for today is this is quarter 4, numbers and algebra, lesson Roman numeral number 5, understanding business and consumer loans, characteristics, terms, and uses. Our intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to A. Define and distinguish between business loans and consumer loans. Letter B. Identify and compare the repayment terms, requirements, purpose, and interest rates of business and consumer loans. Letter C. Analyze real-world scenarios to determine whether a loan is a business loan or a consumer loan. Evaluate loan options by considering suitability based on financial needs and objectives. Letter E. Develop financial literacy skills by understanding how loan characteristics impact individuals and businesses. Definition of loans. A loan is an amount of money borrowed that is expected to be paid back with interest. Loans can generally be divided into two categories: business loans and consumer loans. Business loans. Purpose: used to used to finance business operations, expansion, purchase of equipment, working capital, or investment in projects. Requirements usually require business registration documents, financial statements, business plans, and sometimes collateral. Repayment terms, often longer term, several years, structured based on projected business cash flows. Interest rates, typically lower than consumer loans if secured, but may vary depending on credit worthiness, collateral, and lender risk assessment. Examples: small business loan from a bank, equipment financing, commercial real estate loan, consumer loans. Purpose: taken for personal, family, or household needs such as education, travel, housing, or personal expenses. Requirements: focus more on the borrower's credit history, income stability, and ability to repay. Usually, less documentation compared to business loans. Repayment terms, often short terms, months to a few years. Installment-based repayment is common. Interest rates generally higher than business loans due to higher lending risks and fewer collateral requirements. Examples: personal loan, auto loan, credit card loan, housing loan, or mortgage. Key differences, characteristics, the business loan and the consumer loan. The purpose of business loan: for business activities, growth, operations, investments. Consumer's loan, the purpose of which is for personal or household needs. Requirements for business loan: business documents, financials, collateral. Consumer loan requirements: personal credit score and the proof of income. Repayment terms for business loans: longer, flexible, tied to business revenue. Consumer loan repayment terms is short term, fixed monthly payments, and the interest rates for business loan is usually lower if secured and depends on the business risk. The interest rates for consumer loan is usually higher based on personal credit worthiness. Why it matters for learners. Differentiating loans helps in making inform financial decisions. Business loans drive economic growth by enabling entrepreneurs to expand. Consumer loans improve quality of life but require responsible borrowing to avoid debt traps. Key takeaways. Business loans are designed for organizations and involve higher documentation, longer repayment terms, and typically lower interest if secured. Consumer loans are designed for personal needs, have fewer requirements, shorter repayment terms, but generally higher interest. Understanding the differences helps individuals and businesses choose the right type of loan for their needs and avoid financial risks. Practice problems for our quarter 4 numbers and algebra lesson Roman numeral number 5. Understanding business and consumer loans, characteristics, terms, and uses. Direction. Read each problem carefully. Identify whether the loan being described is a business loan or a consumer loan and determine its characteristics, repayment terms, requirements, purpose, and interest rates. Number 1. Maria borrows 150,000 from a bank to renovate her small bakery and purchase new ovens. The loan requires submission of her business registration documents. So the type of loan is a business loan. The repayment terms, short to medium terms, 3 to 5 years. Requirements, business registration documents. Purpose, renovation and purchase of ovens for bakery. Interest rates, moderate, lower than consumer loan. Number 2. A teacher applies for 50,000 personal loan to pay for a family vacation abroad. She only needs to present proof of employment and income. Type of loan, consumer loan, and this is a personal loan. Repayment terms, short term, 1 to 3 years. Requirements, proof of employment and income. Purpose, family vacation expenses. Interest rates, higher than business loans. We will have the next part of our quarter 4 numbers and algebra lesson Roman numeral number 5.